Good morning from the Granite Classic 2022. We're here at the start line. We're about to kick off in about 5 minutes. We are doing the 45k route. It should be fun, and a lot of familiar faces here from the Hawthorn Club. It's great to see, great to catch up with people. So I hope to see you guys further out on the course. But let's go for a ride.
What's your name? Ruby. Where are you from? You're a local as well, so why are you nervous? Go 45-kilometre riders in the Granite Classic. Have a great time. Enjoy yourself. Rubber down, stay upright, be happy. Show us your teeth. Give us a smile. That's the way. Give me a high five as well as you go past.
I think there's no top pop. Jason! Hello, Linda!
It's Mr. Mike Tomalaris.
Hello. Hey, how's it going?
I'm good. So how's that e-bike treating you?
Oh, look.
From Specialized?
Yeah, Specialized has done a good job on me. A good job for me. And this is my first e-bike experience. And you know what? I'm not going back.
Yeah, electric is the future.
I think so. As we get older, we want some assistance. This is my first gravel experience and I'm loving it.
Check this out. Pit stop, Monty. They've got beer this year. You're missing out, mate. You're missing out. You know that beer sign we saw last year? Nah, that was all fake. But it's not fake this year, mate. Beer. We're pretty well halfway through the ride, or just a little bit over. Having a pit stop, donuts, fruit, beer, water. Yeah, it's all good. Hey girls, so how was the ride?
It was beautiful.
Beautiful until that soul-destroying road climb at the
Yeah,
end.
the last 3Ks, no.
The last bit, yeah, that was
Yeah,
a bit tough.
no. We just chilled out.
It's a fun descent at the start, and then I was thinking, oh, we're going to come back this way, aren't we?
What goes down must go up
Yeah,
in
that's
Beechworth.
Just want to end on a nice downhill.
Yeah.
You don't want to end on a climb.
No, but that trail was nice, coming back into town with all the trees.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
was-
yeah,
that
yeah.
was good. That's good, I like that.
Very, very autumn with those
Yeah.
leaves, yeah. No, excellent. Well, kick back, enjoy some beers, party on.
Yeah.
Granite Classic 2022 edition, all done and dusted. Let's kick back, enjoy a few beers. That's it for 2022 edition of Granite Classic. We've got dinner tonight, but look who I met on the ride, Mike Tomalaris.
G'day everyone.
So Mike, tell us about the ride and how you enjoyed it.
Well, this was my first experience on a gravel bike, on an organised gravel event. And look, thanks to Specialised, I did do the 45 kilometre circuit on an e-bike. But don't hold anything against me, because e-bikes, I believe, are the future. It gave me that little bit of a push, which I needed. And I've come here feeling pretty fresh. I am a regular bike rider, a roadie, and I do up to 300 or 400 kilometres every week because I can. But that was a wonderful experience, and I honestly believe that the e-bikes will get more people on two wheels, because as we get older, the bodies are well, they're getting a bit more bruised and punished. So I feel that e-bikes are wonderful. So I had a great experience today. Wonderful.
Excellent, that's great to hear. That's great to hear. How was that laser helmet?
The laser helmet, I'm not wearing it at the moment, but I didn't crash. I've got to say though, I almost came off on one of those steep descents. I did fishtail and I thought, this is a broken collarbone in the making. And I'm sure the laser helmet would have helped me.
Yeah, that's certainly when I saw those 3 arrows going down, I go, oh, we're in for some fun down here. No.
Is that what those 3 arrows stand for?
Yes, that is.
Oh, now you tell me.
No worries, great. Well, thanks very much, Mike, and thanks for coming along to the event, and hope you have a good rest of the day.
Come to Beechworth, great town.